So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and in this video I'll tell you the exciting opportunity to earn more arcade points. So as we all are aware, the arcade cohort 2 has been started, and many of you are getting confused over the arcade and arcade facilitator program. Let me remind you, in case you are new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel first of all. Now the second thing, the major confusion behind arcade and arcade facilitator program. Many commented that the cohort 2 has not started. So basically, here is the concept. Arcade program runs twice a year. Basically, in one season, basically in 1 year. Let me make it simple. In 1 year, arcade happens twice a year. That is, first cohort is from January to June, which was just recently ended, and the second cohort is started just now, which will be starting from, basically it has started only from July till December. So this cohort is running. Now we have Orchid Facilitator program. So many of you have watched the previous video also, or you have any information from the previous channel also. So basically, many of you are confused with the Arcade Facilitator program. So let me remind you that Arcade Facilitator program is starting on 4th of August. The cohort 2 for Arcade Facilitator is starting from 4th of August, not from July, basically yesterday, etc. So basically, these games are just for arcade program, not for arcade facilitator program. When the arcade facilitator program will start, let me show you one thing. You can just check yourself also arcade facilitator program homepage. You can just Google it and you will be redirected to this page. Basically, there is separate syllabus for arcade and arcade facilitator program. For July, many of you are worried about this. I will make a detailed video on this confusion. So let me clarify in simple words. All these July games will be counted in the arcade, but these won't be counted in the arcade facilitator program. During the arcade facilitator cohort, you have to complete some games and syllabus, basically games and skill badges courses from August 4 to 6th of October. Only that entries will be counted. Suppose if you have completed all the July games, it won't be counted. I hope you understand this. Now let's move to our main topic. I will make a detailed topic, a video on this topic. Okay, no need to worry about it. So as you all are aware that the arcade program has been started. So now don't miss the chance to complete this skill badge, skill not skill. So don't miss the chance to complete these badges, to be more precise. Okay, so basically here we have four games, basically four arcade games, and similarly we have four games, 4 for 8, total 10 arcade points are live. Basically for all the level games and arcade games, basically the arcade games and level games both mean same thing. Okay, so basically these games have 1 point, but the special game which was about to be open around 15th of July, but it opened yesterday only. So here is the special badge. Basically when you click on start lab, how you have to join, I hope you understand. You have to just copy that access code, make sure you are signed in, and then you'll click on start. Here it will show the join code. Just paste the code and join it. So basically here, where are these lab solution? For the solution, no need to worry about it. I have made a detailed sheet. You can check the sheet or you can navigate via the playlist also. So here is the sheet. You can see here all the level games URL are here. Sometimes it may not work. In case it doesn't work, you can come back directly to this page and just paste the code and start it. Now for the solutions, here you can see for level 1 to up to special game. When you click on level games, you will be redirected to this page, and here you can see all the solutions for particular lab. This will help you to complete these labs with less time of time. So don't need to worry about it. Complete all these things. I've shared it, and if you are unable to view via this sheet, what you can do, first of all, check the channel playlist. Okay, like this you are to navigate. Like you can see, this is 2 point game, level 3, level 2, 1 week games are also here. Now one more important thing is that many of you are new to the arcade. You don't know the process of signing in, how to create account, how to subscribe to arcade, and all the steps. So for that, I have already made a video on detailed zero to hero guide. Basically, if you don't know about the Google Cloud anything, you should watch this video and completely you will be able to complete all the badges. Also here I have told you how you can create account, important steps, and more. It's most important that you need to create a new account. So many of people are confused why we should create a new account. We already have account. Basically for arcade program there is no issue regarding accounts. You can use as many accounts as you can. Basically not multiple account. I mean you can use any of the old account, okay, for arcade program. But for facilitator program, they have clearly mentioned you need a fresh email and fresh Qwiklabs account. Fresh means if you have never participated in the arcade facilitator program, you can use it. And if you have participated previously in previous cohort, you need to create a new email id, okay, you need to create a new email id. By this method you can participate in the arcade and arcade facilitator program. When arcade facilitator program will come, I will make a detailed video like this only, how to fill the form, how to do this. But some of you want to become a facilitator, so for that also you can watch the video. I have already shared the video in the description. Okay, I will share the video in description, you can just check it, how to become a facilitator. So that's about this video. Basically, you have to complete all the game badges and earn exciting points and complete all the level games. And for solution, playlist is already there, so complete as soon as possible. First of all, start from this only 2 pointer because it will end within 7 days. And for remaining games, you have 22 to 23 days. You can complete it accordingly. Okay, that's all for today. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.